for the imagination of future vehicles. We believe the future is the area of outer space travel. This floating small rocket can be lifted up anytime, anywhere. It is powered by electricity to make technology and the future come true. The floating size is reduced to 75 cm and 25 cm wide. You can easily place to the trunk or carry to the moon. This is a small rocket that you can easily fold and enter any place to start your journey in the cyberpunk city. You can easily control, no longer worry about the distance or the size of the venue. After floating, you can also conquer various road conditions. The waterproof design of the whole rocket makes you less worried. We are constantly advancing the evolution and design of transportation. I hope that everyone can support us and let the small rocket become everyone's portable transportation.
The battery design is very integrated. It's waterproof and easy to take off. You can take it to home and charge it very easily. So this is the best design we put in this floating bike.
In the body design, we have inspired by the shape of the rocket, the rear red light jet launch, the front white light bright your way. The rocket provides a speed of 25 km/h and 35 km distance. 7-speed Shimano shifter let you easily jet launch to limit speed. Install a rail shock to reduce the shake of jetting, and disc brake to control your landing. This electric floating small rocket with the concept of the future allows you to launch anytime, anywhere. Join us, launch now.